हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ कंप्यूटर के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्विज क्वेश्चंस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिंगल बाइनरी डिजिट इज कॉल्ड। सिंगल बाइनरी अंक को कहा जाता है एंड द ऑप्शंस आर KB, MB, bit and none. And the answer will be C, that is bit. And the next question is RAM is a type of. RAM एक प्रकार का है and the options are secondary memory, primary memory, cache and none. And the answer will be B, that is primary memory. And the next question is what is a bit? Bit क्या है? And the options are basic unit of data, hardware component, software tool and programming language. And the answer will be A, that is basic unit of data. And the next question is what does booting mean? Booting का क्या अर्थ है? And the options are starting the computer, upgrading software, shutting down and none. And the answer will be A, that is starting the computer. And the next question is what is cloud computing? Cloud computing क्या है? And the options are local storage, internet based data and resources, backup externals and none. And the answer will be B, that is internet based data and resources. And the next question is what is the main function of an OS? OS का main function क्या है? And the options are perform calculations, manage resources, connect to internet and provide security. And the answer will be B, that is manage resources. And the next question is what is hardware? Hardware क्या है? And the options are non-physical software, tangible computer parts, programs and OS. And the answer will be B, that is tangible computer parts. And the next question is keyboard and mouse are example of. Keyboard और mouse उदाहरण है and the options are output devices, IO devices, storage devices and CPU parts. And the answer will be B, that is IO devices. And the next question is which storage highest capacity? सबसे अधिक कैपेसिटी का स्टोरेज कौन सा है? And the options are DVD, Blu-ray, hard drive and floppy. And the answer will be C, that is hard drive. And the last question is which is second generation language? Second generation की भाषा कौन सी है? And the options are machine, assembly, high level and query. And the answer will be B, that is assembly.